Hello, everybody. This is DeMarr Zimmerman. I've been trying to do a live video, but I just don't know how to do it. I'm not very good on Facebook, but I gotta get some stuff out here. Here's what I get on Facebook when I try to do a live video with Facebook. I get this, and I don't have a camera hookup. I thought that I could just use my regular stuff, but I guess I can't. So I'm not going to do that. So anyway, here's what it is. I want to talk a little bit about the Document Center that Banner Season just launched and tell you a little bit about why we did this. Over the years, I've had many business professionals ask me if the businesses that I've been involved in when it comes to greeting cards, gifts, and personalized products, if there's a way to do documents. So we created a document center that allows us to merge, as it says, merge with Microsoft Word, the document. And what it is that right here, when you go into documents right here, it clicks it open, and you can upload any document that's in Word. Let me show you how that works. So let's say that there's different types that you can do. So you can load any kind you want. So if I want to load a document, and I'm going to load, I just go here and do the file, but here's the cool thing is I have different types that I can do. So if I click right here, I can do a 3x5 trifold letter. So that's just a letter that goes into an envelope that has a name on an envelope. Now, we're adding a few more of these on here. We're adding a Santa Claus letter and also a letter to Santa Claus. We're going to add some other templates. It's going to be in a blog where it's going to be launched the first of next week. And then you can do postcards. There'll be this is where you're going to do your 4x6 postcards, and then you can also do certificates. So the certificates aren't trifolds. They're done on a really nice quality, and we've got several people that are using that. And then, of course, here's where your loads are. And then what it does is these are some hints that you have. So these are so that you can merge different things like current date, first name, last name, company, street, address, and all that kind of stuff. These are standard merges. And these merges right here are in our contacts. So when you're building your contact manager, you have the ability when you create a new contact, when you add their stuff, you can create these merges for specific things. Like let's say I wanted to have a work number. If I wanted to say nickname or whatever, these are different fields that once you fill it out, this merge, whatever you use here, you want it consistent with everybody. So if I'm going to use nickname, then this would be the nickname merge. And again, that when you did that, then when you went to the documents or when you're doing your stuff, it would do that. Now let me kind of show you a little bit about Word. So when you open Word, most people just click on this blank, but there's all sorts of different things that you can do with templates with Word, like menus, recipes, newsletters, and also, so if I just type in holidays, for example, if I just type in holiday, then it will pull up all these different holiday stuff. Now they have some cards, as if you're going to print it out yourself, but there's these templates like this. If I put holiday letter, then there's all these letters that will pop up that I can use. Well, this one doesn't have many, but here's a cool thing. If I want to use page, which is a Mac document, I can do the same thing. So I can do holiday letter with the Mac. Oops, sorry. With here, I can go ahead and click on here, and I can pick flyers, newsletters over here. And what people don't know is if I pick on this letter and open it up and choose it, this is one. So if I do this letter and I save it, there's a place in here that I can move, save it, and I can convert it to a page layout. When I click on that, oops, that's the wrong one. It's one of these fields here, I'll just say. So I can save as template, or I can revert to, I can't rename, I think is that what it is. I can't remember where it is, a Word doc. Anyway, there's somewhere on here. I don't know where it is, but I just did it the other day. I can go in here and advance. I can change it. Where is it here? I'm getting upset with this. Page setup. Where is it? If I want to save a file, I can move to Let me see if that's it. No, that's not it either. So I'm going to see right here where it is in a minute here. So I export, that's what it is. I can export as a PDF or a Word file. So I can actually use Microsoft version of Word, and I love their templates because they're really done well. I can do that template, and I can only do a 1 page for now, but we are going to do 3 and 4 and 5 pages. But for now, this is our first run at it, and in the next little bit, you're going to see other pages as well. So I can load that in there, and again, I can do templates like this, and I can load this stationery here, and I can do a Word doc. It's going to load up here in just a minute, and I can go ahead and create this. It's got to be an 8.5 by 11, but I can create my newsletter, brag letter, whatever I want in Word. And once I do that, then I can load it up into the Word doc. And again, I can do letters, 1-page letters for now. We're going to add some really cool stuff, like we're going to add some letters where you can also do certified mail, because we've got a lot of attorneys that are using this. We can use it, and and we actually have some credit unions that wanted this, and all that kind of stuff. So the certification right now, we just had a customer with this send out 1,000 of these certificates for advancements with their company, special advancements and stuff. So these are the things you can set it up. Once you've set it up, then you can actually create a campaign if you want to. So you can set up a campaign and create it and do the Word doc if you have it, or you can just do it and then merge in, go to your contacts, select the different contacts when you get into the document and get it done. You can add as a project. So how you do projects, it would show up right here as one of your projects. So we got some really cool stuff going on. I think you're going to love it, and I hope that you do. And we will talk to you soon. Have a great one. Hope this explains a little bit about the Document Center.